Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopefully everyone is fine, enjoying your life. It is early in the morning, sun just have risen up. Hard to climb. The path is going this way. I think I will go this way. It's directly straight up. I'm tired. Subhanallah. I did reach to the main track. Now I'm going this way, which is east side, so which means this will be north. This side will be north because the east is almost here. Subhanallah, the view is very beautiful. I can hear the natural sounds of birds, cows and sheep. So if I want to go to George Walk, this is 1.3 kilometers and this one is 3 kilometers. So I think it's better I will go this side, and then it will be a good thing because it will make me walk a bit more, because that even it's deep forest and I have to climb up again from where I came. So I was supposed to go that way, but from here I will go continue 3 kilometers, then I will get that walk, and then I will go to proper walk for this rabbits I can see here. They are running, so either I can go this way or climb up and reach there. So from here it is equidistance, so either you can go that way 2.5 and you can go this way because it goes all the way up. So I will be going here. This is funny because I started walking from there on the same road. I went all the way up and then I came back from here again on the same road. I'm supposed to go that way, so I have to find the way. I think that is the way which is going. So this is Black Rock. I was supposed to park my car here, but I woke a bit earlier so I could go up. All right, now I'm going this way. This seems a bit tricky way. So it's been 45 minutes I think, but seems like it's been hours because the way I came it was not easy. And even this looks funny, still going upward. I'm just going up. It's taking me all the way up. There's another door. This is a door. It seems like it is closed because of the chain and the lock, but it is because it is, so you have to just push. It is like a chain, and when you leave it, it will go back again. So I am here right way where this way is going, this one, and I started actually walking through here, went all the way up. I had good views from here, then I went all the way and then I came almost like here. No, yeah, I came here, and from here I started walking, and I came in the middle from here, and now I'm going this way, and I will go all the way back. So half of the journey is done. Let's go. What can you hear is only natural sounds like birds, other animal, that's it, and sometime airplane. Subhanallah. Sun is already up. I'm already sweating. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. It's fun. Alhamdulillah. There are some buffaloes here. They are enjoying their morning time. I think they have done their breakfast and they are just enjoying right now. So right now, this is the view. I can see someone is already camping here. And check this out. Subhanallah. I did rest for like 20 minutes maximum, 15 to 20 minutes. Now I started walking again, and here I can see beautiful goats. Subhanallah, the view is amazing. And there's a pond over there, pool or whatever you call it. I don't know what is it actually. And now I'm going this way. The view is mashallah very beautiful. So I'm just going to have a look at the view. So this is the view, and I think my car is somewhere there, down there, because I was thinking to go from there, but I didn't. If you have a height phobia, I would not recommend this place, because I don't have a height phobia and I'm afraid. Subhanallah. I am choosing to go from here. On the right side it's hill down, and there is a track, mini track going like this, zigzag. And I'm sitting here, I'm not comfortable because this side is downhill, and on the other side it is also same thing. So it's just a cliff, and here I can see my car over there. So this is the thing I enjoyed right now, because I'm scared a bit of the height. These are small goats, or I don't know, these are very little. Even the mothers, they are very tiny. Okay, we start our journey to the side again. The path is it's kind of the path that you cannot walk fast on it. Now it is smoother, because that one is a lot of stones and you cannot even walk faster. So go all the way down, and then from the main road I will turn right, and then I will go back. So I'm just heading towards the Cheddar town from here, but I will not enter the Cheddar town from the bridge. I will turn right. After turning right, I will reach to the road in which I have parked my car, and this looks amazing. So I think I will try to go up, and from here actually I go down. So I'm going, let's see if it is open. and this is a very famous tower here in this area. It's Lookout Tower. It's the history. It's had been here by Roland in 1908, but it seems it is closed already. Back to the main road all the way down, and then from here I will go to my car, sit in my car and go back home. Hopefully you like the video. I actually like this scene, and it is very dirty water here. Look at it. I think it's just artificial fountain. The water is literally very dirty. This is a water. This green is water. Hopefully you like the video. I'm just heading back to my car. I am just heading back towards my car. Hopefully you liked the video and you enjoyed it. I enjoyed the view. So I will say here right now, Fi amanillahi, assalamu alaikum, and I will take your leave. And before leaving, this is Jacob Ladder's history. So this is a history for these stairs, and there are some caves up there.